AirTags can be super helpful if you forget stuff or if your luggage or your dog goes missing, but they're only good when they have battery to power them. It may not be obvious, but AirTags actually use replaceable coin batteries.
No recharging here, just an easy swap if your AirTag's battery is running low. Here is exactly how to change the battery in your Apple AirTag. Apple likes to keep things sleek and minimalist, with no notches, screws, tabs, or other clues about how to get into an AirTag. It might not be obvious exactly how you access the battery. Just push the two sides together slightly and twist. The case will open up and you'll see the battery. You can get these very inexpensively from your local drug or electronics store or from Amazon. Make sure to take note of which side of the battery faces up and then replace the dead battery with a fresh one. Align the top and the bottom of the AirTag case and just twist it back together. That's it. You can expect your AirTag's battery to last anywhere from about 12 to 18 months with average use. Now, if you're tracking things a lot and constantly looking at the location, you may end up with a bit less time. But how do you know if your AirTag battery is low? Unfortunately, Apple hasn't yet worked out a way to display the battery level in your Find My app. For now, all you're going to get is a low battery warning in that app if your battery is dangerously low. That's definitely not ideal, so I do hope Apple will improve its ability to monitor battery life in future iterations or software or firmware updates. If you've still got questions about AirTags, you can check out my video where I answer the most common of them. Or if you're not an Apple fan, you can check out Tile Trackers right now.